So those are the original colors. They're a little bit more vibrant, great pastel colors. You're looking at the lavender, aqua, indigo, and khaki. All four of those come together in the original set. The stack set that are all stacked on top of each other, those are all much lighter in color. We call those our earth tones. So those are gonna come in stone, sage, spruce, and sea. And as you can see, literally, as they're stacked on top of each other, they're actually 4 different sizes. So just like my shopping cart is tapered, my bags are tapered as well. So here we go. These are the Lotus bags. Huge, huge saver when it comes to the grocery store, or actually everything in your day life. But check it out. Easy, super efficient, eco-friendly, as Alice mentioned, but so much fun. It opens up into a 4-bag organization system in which it is equipped with pockets. And not just any pockets, but I'm talking about, ladies, your wine pockets. We have a huge pocket in the front that's gonna hold 2 dozen eggs, so you never have to worry about your eggs opening or falling out or getting crushed. We have small pockets for what we call our naked veggies. So lemons and limes, onions can fit right in here instead of having to buy them already in the plastic. As Alice mentioned, we're all about being green. We're super proud that because of our bags over the last 3 to 4 years, we have eliminated 400 million of these. We all know these, the plastic bags, no stability. They break in a moment's notice, usually with something a little bit heavier that's gonna spill all over the place. And when we do have that, they're even doubled up. This is a waste of money, it's a waste of time, and it's terrible for our environment. This is fun. It is easy, and it is super organized. This is how you're gonna be able to walk into the grocery store with the black hole of a cart, which we appreciate. We're happy we have a cart. But when we throw it in a hurry, there's no organization. When we're able to do this, look, these fabulous rods that are in here actually balance the bag, give our bag additional stability, and give me 2 hands. I can now use both of my hands to load my groceries into the cart. This is gonna help me at checkout. At checkout, watch this. I'm gonna take out my bag, put everything onto the conveyor belt, right? My bagger already knows exactly what I want in bag 1. I did it for him. I made it easy. If you're in a store that is using extra precautions where you are the bagger, you're not gonna have to wait for that last item to pack your first bag because you really wish that cold item had gone, let's say, in your insulation bag. Yes, ladies, gentlemen, we have a bag specifically for insulation, and it comes with extra hook and loop. So when I'm done packing this, I can close it, allowing my cold food to stay cold for 2 to 4 hours, or my hot food to stay hot for 2 to 4 hours. So when I say you're gonna use this outside of your shopping experience, I mean, there are endless amount of ways to use it, from farmers markets to bringing it to the beach. We love it for the beach because of the mesh bottom. All the sand shakes out before it gets into my car. For to-go food, I love bringing my insulated bags because usually to-go food, there's not a plastic ban in different states, so they use the plastic, but I don't need it. I can put those items directly in my insulated bag. They're gonna stay warm. I won't even have to reheat my food when I get home and serve it to my family. Similar to that, Thanksgiving's coming up. If you make sides or casseroles for your family and you're going to their house, your host is going to love you because you're not using their appliances to reheat food because you kept it warm. It is endless. And when you're all done, all you have to do is stack them on top of each other in the same size order, put your fasten around to the hook and loop, and oh my gosh, my less than 2-pound unit is ready to go in a very small, compact size. I'm gonna put it in my passenger seat because I need to see it. I need to remember it's there because trust me, I've been one of the people that have walked into my grocery store and said, ugh, I gotta go back to my car because since having this, I cannot go to the grocery store without it.
I wanted to put them side by side so that you guys can really see the difference, okay? This is gonna be your original choice right over here. So you'll get that kind of slate blue, you get the aqua, you'll get a purple one, and you're also gonna get that natural color. Now, if you order it in the earth tone, this is going to be your earth tone over here where you get the natural, you get the blue. You also get more of almost a khaki color as well as a gray color. So these are the color choices here. This is the way it will look when they are all actually, when you set them up. And this is what happens when you take them to the grocery store, which is I love so much. Megan, This makes so much sense. I didn't even realize that they were graduated like this. I love having a great big one. I love the little egg spot right here. Look at the way you're able to put everything in. Yeah, I mean, you just pop them right in here. So they're gonna be nice and sturdy. But putting those dowels in there is just brilliant. So you have all 4 of these, $29.95. These are gonna work. I don't care if you use these to go to the beach or something. I think these are reusable bags that you're gonna find a lot of different ways to use, but definitely if you do any kind of like farmers markets and things like that, you'll love having them. And they are so sturdy and durable.
Yes, and you're talking about the farmers market, so I want people to know that yes, the rods are in here, but the rods come out too. These are completely washable. Throw them in the wash whenever you feel. The bottom is mold resistant, which should be very comforting knowing that you're not gonna spread anything from one bag to another. But better for you to know, look at this organization. All of my items are organized. So when I pick them up and put them in my trunk, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. There's over 50 items, over $200 worth of groceries, stable, secure, not falling over. Compared to this I took out of my pantry, only 27 items spilling all over the place because plastic bags cannot do the job. If you want a better experience, I'm telling you, Lotus bags is the way to go.